Good morning, students. So we are back to the English grammar class once again, and now I am going to show you one picture. When you look at this picture, you tell me what can you see here? You can see three boys here, Ajay, Vijay and Rajesh. When you look at them, all three of them, do you find that they are different in one particular manner? Yes, we can very well see that they are all of different height basically, right? So, what can we say? Rajesh is the tallest of them all, right? We can say Vijay is taller than Ajay, or we can say Rajesh is taller than Vijay. But if we talk about all three together, we would say Rajesh is the tallest of them all. I am sure you must have understood by now which chapter are we going to take up next. We are going to take up which chapter? Any guesses? Yeah, we are going to take up the 5th chapter of your grammar book, Adjectives of Comparison. Okay, so adjectives of comparison, you can see the picture right in front of you. If we look at the extreme left corner, okay, at the top, we have three girls here, happy, happier, the happiest. So the third girl is the happiest of them all. Okay, when you come down, we look at abacus. Abacus is useful. Calculator is more useful. But if you look at the laptop, it is the most useful. Understood? So these are 3 degrees of comparison, okay, in which we can use adjectives. Now come even further down. You have fruits here. Cherries are sweet. Bananas are sweeter. But the cake is the sweetest of them all. Okay, similarly you can look at the remaining 3 pictures and find out that all the three pictures which have sub 3 pictures, all of them have a different adjective used for them. Okay, so what are the 3 degrees in which the adjectives can be used? We have, first one is positive form, comparative form, and the last of all is superlative form. Okay, so how can we use them? The first one here, tall, taller, tallest, happy, happier, happiest, good, better, best, useful, more useful, most useful. Like in the class we say, he is the tallest boy in the class. So the moment you say tallest, this EST comes, you get to know that this is the superlative degree. Okay. So, and when I have to draw comparison between 2 people or 2 things, then I use the comparative degree where you get ER. Like he is taller than most of the students in the class. Okay. Or I can say see, Rishabh is the tallest boy in the class. We all understand. But when I say Rajesh is taller than Vijay, so it means I am drawing comparison between 2 people. But when I say, what about this first degree? Positive form? See, when I am not drawing any kind of comparison, then it is positive form that I am making use of. Like, she is a good girl. So, did I draw any comparison? Did I say she is better than her? No, I am only saying that she is a good girl. So, here I will make use of the first degree, which is good. Okay, students, I hope you have understood. Now, what you need to do is you open page number 17 of your grammar book. Read page number 17 and 18. There are certain rules which are given on page number 18. You can go through them. Once you have read them and understood them, you may start doing exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. For certain words, you can see we have used more and most. Okay. So, all these rules are explained in the book. Once you check, in case you don't understand, you can let me know. And once you have finished your exercises 1 to 4, I'll send you the correct answers to tally your answers with them. Okay, students, have a nice day and complete your work quickly.